Justin with Bitner Built, and this is the Bosch Jigsaw Carbide blade for ceramics, T-Shank style, model number T130RF1. You can find this blade at SafetySourceSupply.com, the #1 place to find factory new in-box tools for unbelievable prices at up to 50% off retail. Let's go ahead and check this blade out.
This carbide tipped blade is 3 1/4 inches by 0.31 inches tall and is 0.03 inches thick. It is a T-Shank design. It promises extra long life in hard materials. It has 30 grit on the blade itself. This blade is made in the UK. It has a max operating speed of 3,100 strokes a minute.
So that was the Bosch Jigsaw Carbide blade for ceramics, T-Shank style. I'm Justin Bitner, and you can find me on my YouTube channel, Bitner Built, for woodworking projects and honest tool reviews. And of course, SafetySourceSupply.com to buy this blade and all your favorite name brand tools at incredible discounts. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.